Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change a hinge on your front load washer. It's a really easy job. Let me show you how we do it. This repair can be done with the door still attached to the washer. We're simply going to open it up and then we'll remove the appropriate screws from the hinge and attach the new one as we remove the old one. So with the door fully open and supported, we're simply going to remove the screws either from the front panel or from the door. Doesn't matter which we start with. We'll remove those two screws. And you may need to have somebody assist you with holding the door in place. Now, when installing the new hinge, there is no up or down to it, but there is an inside and an outside. So carefully inspect it and make sure that we have the countersunk sides of those screw openings facing towards the center of the washer. Making sure that we support that door properly. Just place the hinge in position. And then reinstall those two mounting screws. We'll just pivot that hinge out of the way, and then we'll remove the two screws on the door. And then we'll reinstall those screws through the new hinge. Make sure all of the screws are secure. Now, if you're replacing both hinges, you would just repeat that procedure for the other one. Close the door up, make sure that the latch lines up properly, and your repair is complete.